worried that the wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the wheel spacers and the tightness of a lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit the variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the wheel spacers and wheels. Hub-centric wheel spacers keep the wheels centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolts of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bells fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of the spacers. Since wheel spacers are components that can tear the other part, you absolutely need tight, tolerable runs.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.